It's a beautiful day out here. As you can see, the fish are moving around. Finally, the rain has stopped and the sun's out. It's a beautiful day. Oh, we got some mail here. We got some mail here. Let's take a look here. What's going on? Hey, Miss Waters. All right. Miss Caitlin's not in yet. The new girl is in training starting on Monday. So we'll be bringing her up to speed. And look at that look on that face. Look at that look. Let's go take a look what's going on out here with the guys. What we got going on here, Mr. Johnson?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how this thing's supposed to
Mr. Salazar, how are you?
Good.
Mrs. Lady?
Good.
You good too?
Yeah, I just
Hooking up the new receiver?
Well, I got this in the truck, but it just doesn't seem to fit.
This one, I think fuse one connect one bad one and that one.
For your Christmas lights?
Mm-hmm.
This needs a new fuse inside?
Yeah.
Did you take it apart and look at it?
No.
See which one it is?
One hook it up some bad one.
Can you look at it for me later today?
Yeah.
And then we can get the fuse, we can pick that up?
But that one good machine to fix the green lights.
Okay. How did you do on your strands today, getting everything prepped?
Check Mr. Ulises hospital in Virginia and the club Annapolis.
How did the hospital look? Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Got cameras in the lunch.
Cameras everywhere. I look like I got a camera on you now. Have a good evening.
But it doesn't say, it doesn't have an arrow or nothing pointing anywhere. So I don't know how in the hell that even goes in there.
What we got there, lady? Move your hand, let me take a look. So is that going in there tight?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's... See, it's got a slip piece, and I just don't know if that's...
It didn't sound like it went in all the way. You know? It sounded like it was going in the receiver. Never a dull moment when you work for yourself. You're out there trying to get things done on a daily basis. Anyway, it's all part of it. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Hey, we're down here in Annapolis this morning. And we're going to check out what's going on this job site. A lot of work progressing today, trying to wrap this up with our irrigation, with our lawn sprinkler, and our lighting system that we started on yesterday. And we'll take a look what's going on here. Hey, I got you that job offer you texted me about last night. Okay, starts off at $47 an hour.
I don't think
You remember Pepe?
Pepe.
You remember Pepe?
Yeah.
Town Creek.
Yeah.
Guess who I seen last night?
Who's that?
Mike from Walnut Hill.
Did you?
He talked highly of you.
Did he?
Yeah, he said, you just did my new garage. It looks beautiful.
Oh, good. Yeah, we were there a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Where you guys at? Out to dinner?
No, we went to the boat show for a couple hours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I forgot about that. But they were all worried about what this weather was going to do.
Yeah, that was...
Morning, Jersey. What you got going on here? Stripping? Making a connection? Oh, the dog fence. Dog fence.
Yes.
Reconnecting that. What's up, fella?
Not much.
Laying out these lights?
Yeah. These are some of the tops were a little loose. I'm just checking all the rubber seals. They seem to be fine. Probably just getting bumped with wheelbarrows as people come through.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, these hollies look good. He was taking out those other trees yesterday.
Yeah.
So they were coming at 11 right before I left. The hollies were sitting here. You probably saw them yesterday. Staged. That looks good. Mr. Man, can I have a moment with you?
What's up?
This is my friend from 3 days ago.
Same friend. We're still friends?
Well, we're acquaintances.
Acquaintances, that's right.
And we're standing here with Mr. Bird. What does Mr. Bird have to say? We want to see that new tattoo. This is what the guy spends his paycheck on.
Paycheck, tattoo.
Not finished yet.
He's got an arm sleeve, we call them, back in the 60s.
In the 60s?
Yeah, they were arm sleeves.
You weren't born in the 60s, were you?
Yes, I was.
What year were you born?
68.
68. Wow.
69, and I owe you one.
Oh. Let's go back here and take a look.
1 minute, I gotta go in and unlock it. I never unlocked it.
Oh. Santos! Everything good? No. No? What do we need to fix?
This guy.
Fix that guy?
Bob.
Oh, you talking about Mr. Mahoney?
I do have to ask you something.
Yes, sir.
Do you think I should go buy a couple lights and put on them trees right there, or leave them? I got lights here. Do you think I should go run real quick and pick up 2 of them?
We can go get them.
Don't you? I'm just asking.
Yes. Yes, you won't be able to sleep tonight. I'll be getting a text at 11 o'clock. Hey, Root, you got 3 uplights on your truck? Nothing? Nothing? 2?
What are we doing here?
Oh. I'm watching you. Watching you, boss man. How you doing, Santos? Everything good?
Yeah, then it goes in the house.
That crepe myrtle got all pruned up. That really looks good.
Yeah.
That really looks good at nighttime now. Uplit. Let's take a look around the heck here, Graydon. See what's going on. Karina! How are you? Good. Good? Is Mr. Mahoney leaving you alone? He's a pain in the ass. This customer, look at him. He's a pain in the ass, isn't he?
Jane, once you get that, we'll hook up that grill. And then we're going to set the washer and dryer. I picked up everything for the bar.
Hey, sir. Did you get a certified check from this gentleman?
What's that?
You get a certified check from this gentleman? He's hard to collect. Okay? Oh my God.
Well, I know where he lives.
I do everything COD. Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. Just kidding, just kidding. Everything good with you?
Huh?
Everything good with you guys?
Yeah.
We just finished doing his garage makeover, putting the floor in for him.
Yeah.
Floor looks good. Still looking good. Still looking good.
Transformer.
Did you end up with a transformer in there?
Yeah.
Cool, cool, cool. Yes, sir. It's all wired up. Hey, Greg.
Yeah.
When's sod coming?
What?
What time is sod coming?
They're going to pick it up whenever you get done. We're going to wait till you get done.
Well, we had to fix the dog fence.
Well, we didn't hit that. It was something, but don't give me a bunch of today. What do you think? Is it coming along?
Yes. Yes. You should really take your medication. I'm calling Kristen.
Did I tell you what happened? She called me yesterday.
Uh-uh.
She said, hey, I just want to tell you something.
So Bob got you on film about your girlfriend.
No, look. I
He's like, what?
had a great time playing pickleball and had lunch with my girlfriend. But I just want to let you know something. Well, I said, why don't you come back in the afternoon because it's not done. She said, how about I come back Saturday morning? I said, that's better. So this place will all be cleaned up.
Be all done.
Yeah.
Right, Karina?
How you doing? Why didn't you say hi to Mr. Greg and instead of just Mr. Bob? No. All right, look, this is what we got to do. 1 minute. Guys.
She doesn't like
this
Mr.
right
Greg.
here. 1 minute. Let's see where the gas, let me get in there. Right there? Okay, so what
I see a hole in the back.
Greg, have you ever hooked up a gas grill before?
Okay, so what I want you to do, so what I want to do, I want to see if we can move, see how far we can go over with this, and see if we can put this gas right where that bottle is and drill a hole through.
This could be very dangerous.
Okay?
I don't know if my whole saw's gonna go
This
through
could be
that.
very
You
dangerous.
take a Sawzall.
Oh
just cut a
boy.
piece.
Sawzall and propane.
All you're gonna do is,
Yeah, that's a good mixture.
all you're
Huh?
gonna
Huh? Huh?
all you're gonna do is pop whatever you need to right
It really turned out nice, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. I don't think I came back here last time.
Yeah, Newt Sabaton did this. Newt Sabaton out of Pasadena, client of ours, friend of everybody's. Great guy.
That's really good.
Really turned out nice, didn't it?
I think it's like a quick look back here when we were doing the garage, but I don't remember it. It definitely didn't look this good.
Yeah, really looks sharp. Really looks sharp. What a beautiful day.
How'd I do on my lighting?
Good. Most excellent. Well, we go out here and see how Rudy's making out. He's helping Greg here with this dog fence. Just talking out loud, Rudy, besides tweaking everything today and putting a new module in, he was helping Greg with his dog fence wire. Apparently got nicked a couple times yesterday, and then they're widening the expanse of it, you know, the
Yeah.
area of it and all.
He told me it got cut by someone else, and then we cut it yesterday, running
Yeah.
the line in for the sprays here.
Yep. Yep. How you doing, Root? Good?
Yeah.
A little muddy down here.
Yeah.
Santos, Santos. I think this holly needs to come this way about 2.5 inches. This front, 2.5 inches. Talk to him? Okay. Looking good, guys, looking good. 1 inch. Busy job site this morning here, but we're getting everything wrapped up, finalized. Sod's going down this afternoon, and this will be a wrap. This will be a beautiful job site, and at nighttime, it is outstanding, these lights. Brings out all the natural beauty after the sun goes down. Yeah, buddy. Greg, this homeowner just called me, calling the police on you, all the stuff over here in your yard. How you doing, sir? Everything good?
Pepe, go around the other side.
Everything good here?
Yeah.
All right, he's got 2 calls in front of you.
Which way you guys gonna go with the dog fence around? Well, that's what I was trying to figure out. What's going to be the best for the dog, Greg, and the trees. You want the dog to be able to go into the trees or not?
No, he just said no. Keep it in front of the trees.
Okay.
Right along the mulch pit line.
Okay, so we'll just do it right into the lip of the mulch,
Yeah, right there. Yep, exactly.
like we did at Chris's house.
Yes, and you got to loop it. I think that's how, because it's the end.
Okay.
Because that way he can have the run of everything. Yes, he can come through the door and all.
You gotta go all the way back in
No, no, because look.
What about your loop? Are we putting one in for you?
Yeah, it stopped right here before with a loop. But there was a fence here,
Yeah.
so it stopped them. Now you just take this from right there, you pick it up and loop it. So it makes right there to the corner,
Go to the
Come
corner.
back.
and then come back and
Yep.
loop it. Yes, and that way he has the run of the whole
Chris
yard.
is going to put a collar on him so he can't leave the yard either.
I already have one on me.
Yeah, well, that's a place we can't put on this family channel, okay?
Straight chain. See what I was saying? If we move it back,
Why don't we just say, you got some kerosene? You got any gas? Why don't we just light it on? Can we just light this on fire? Hey, Greg, is this open burning here today? Can we burn this?
yes, you can. I got a permit. Wait a minute, I'll get it.
You gotta go.
I think I'm back on the farm. All right, we're going to head out to another job site. We'll talk to you guys later. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.